Hello students, welcome to the digital classes of Christchurch Convent Gadawara. I am Deepak Kaurav, your English teacher. Today we will do the exercises of your grammar book PC Ren's Grammar of class 7th. So students, open your 5th chapter, Pronouns. Let me tell you the definition of pronouns. I had already uploaded a video on this topic pronouns on our YouTube channel. First you watch that video, then it will be easy for you to do the exercises. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, or a pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun, or it describes a noun. For example, if we write Ram is a good boy, here Ram is a name of any particular person. Okay, so it's a proper name. But if we say he is a good boy, so here the word he is used in the place of proper noun Ram. Okay, so basically let me tell you the kinds of pronouns: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive, emphatic pronoun, and then a relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, or distributive pronoun. Okay, so let's start our exercise first. Complete the sentence with the correct form of pronoun. Here what you have to do, you have to put a correct form of pronoun in the blanks. Let's start. Rama and Des were present. Here we used I, because Rama, the subject, is in proper form. Okay, Rama is a proper form. Okay, so that's why we have to use a subjective case, I. Rama and I were present. Now second, you are smaller than Des. Okay, so here you is also in a subjective case, that's why we have to use he. I know that it was Des. Here I is also in a subjective case, that we have to use she, not her. He is taller than Des. He is taller than I, not me. Let you and Des try what we can do. Let you and me try what we can do. Okay. Then sixth, you know that as well as Des. So you know that as well as I. We are not so poor as Des. So we are not so poor as they. Rama is as old as I. Rama is as old as I. He is known to my brother and Des. He is known to my brother and me. They are far better singers than Des. So they are far better singers than we. Whom can I trust if not Des? Whom can I trust if not him? Let Des who can answer this question. Let he Who can answer this question? Now, next exercise. Underline the pronoun in the following sentence, then write R for reflexive pronouns and E for emphatic pronouns. I repeat, underline the pronouns in the following sentences, then write R for reflexive pronouns and E for emphatic pronouns. Let me tell you what is reflective pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and what is emphatic pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun such as myself, yourself, herself, which refers back to the subject of a sentence or clause. Okay? And the emphatic pronouns cannot stand alone as subject. It is therefore incorrect to say myself saw him do it. It is wrong. So we have to write I myself saw him do it. Personal pronouns like myself, yourself, herself, that are used for the sake of emphasis. Okay. So let's do our exercise second. The dog choked itself. So here what we have to do, we have to underline reflexive pronouns or emphatic pronouns. Then you have to write whether that pronoun is a reflexive pronoun or a emphatic pronoun. So the dog choked itself. Here itself is a pronoun and it's a reflexive pronoun. I repeat, the dog choked itself. So here itself is a pronoun and it's a reflexive pronoun. Okay. Second one, we seldom see ourselves as others see us. So here ourselves is a reflexive pronoun. A house divided against itself cannot stand. Here itself is a reflexive pronoun. Xerxes himself was the last to cross the Hellespont. So here himself is a emphatic pronoun. Now next, I myself heard his remarks. So it is also a emphatic pronoun. He himself said so. Here himself is emphatic pronoun. Now exercise third. Read the following sentences and say whether the italicized pronouns are demonstrative, indefinite, or distributive. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to name that particular pronouns are demonstrative, indefinite, or distributive. Okay, so let me tell you first what is demonstrative pronoun. The pronouns are demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns which are used to point out the objects to which they refer and are therefore called demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so they always used to point out the objects to which they refer. Okay, now what is indefinite pronouns? Pronouns that refer to people people or things in a general way but do not refer to any person or thing in particular are called indefinite persons. Okay, and now then distributive pronouns like each, either, neither, that consider members of a group separately rather than collectively are called distributive pronouns. Okay, so let's do this exercise. Read the following sentences and say whether the italicized pronouns are demonstrative, indefinite, or distributive. None of his movies were super hits. So here none is a indefinite pronoun. That is the India Gate. Here that is a demonstrative pronoun. That book is yours. Here that is demonstrative pronoun. One must not always praise oneself. So here one is a indefinite pronoun. Some are born great. So here some is a indefinite pronoun. Either of you can go. Here either is a distributive pronoun. These cows cost 10,000 rupees each. So here each is a distributive pronoun. The two women hate each other. So here each is a distributive pronoun. The stranger is welcomed as such. Okay, so here such is a demonstrative pronoun. And then our soldiers were better drilled than those of enemies. Okay, so here then is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so next so it is exercise 4 and it's your last exercise. Complete the exercise with who, whom, whose, which, or where. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to fill a correct pronoun in the blanks, and who, whom, whose, which, and where are relative pronouns. Okay, so first one, what the name of the man dash car you borrowed? So what's the name of the man? Okay, so here we are talking about that man, so that's why we have to use whose with car. Okay, whose car you borrowed. A pacifist is a person that believes that all wars are wrong. A pacifist is a person who believes that all wars are wrong. The place dash we spent the holidays was very beautiful. The place where we spent the holidays was very beautiful. I don't know the name of the woman to dash I spoke on the phone. Okay, so whom I spoke on the phone. Ron and Jessica dash had got married last year, recently bought a new house. So here Ron and Jessica, who had got married last year, recently bought a new house. Sixth one, their new house dash they bought was quite cheap. So their new house which they bought was quite cheap. So this is the end of your chapter number 4, sorry, 5th, pronoun. Thank you.